Today, let's continue discussing Flutter Entertainment. This is one of the world's leading online sports betting and gaming companies, and its most important brand in the US market is FanDuel. Yesterday, we mentioned 3 core points behind this investment logic. The penetration rate of online sports betting in the United States is still rising. FanDuel holds the #1 market position with a meaningful lead. The company is progressing towards structural adjustments and potential listings, which could trigger a valuation re-rating. Today, we will expand on these points in more detail. First, the industry landscape. The legalization process of online sports betting and iGaming in the US is still in the middle stage. Currently, around 35 states have legalized sports betting, while the number of states allowing online casino operations is less than 10. This means the market is not mature and not saturated. It is a growing market, moving from offline and grey channels toward regulated and scalable online platforms. The direction is highly certain. According to industry research by Eilers and Krejcik, the combined market for online sports betting and iGaming in the US is expected to continue delivering double-digit growth over the next 3 to 5 years, reaching an estimated 35–45 billion in annual market size. So the total market is expanding, and in expanding markets, the leader captures most of the incremental value. That's the core reason we are looking at FLUT. Next, FanDuel's competitive position. Right now in US online sports betting, FanDuel holds about 45% market share, ranking first. Its closest competitor, DraftKings, is around 30%. FanDuel's advantage is not only brand awareness, its product experience, pricing models, and user retention performance are stronger than the industry average. In simple terms, once users start using FanDuel, they are more likely to stay, and retained users represent higher long-term value. This means that for every dollar spent on marketing, FanDuel receives greater return compared to competitors. Even more importantly, FanDuel has already achieved profitability in the US. While many competitors are still burning money to expand, the leader is already making money while others are still catching up. That strengthens the moat. Now, the key potential catalyst: structural and listing strategy. Flutter is currently listed in the UK, with a market cap around $26 to $30 billion depending on price fluctuation. However, the US equity market typically assigns higher valuation multiples to fast-growing digital consumer platforms, especially those in entertainment, gaming, and online services. The company has publicly stated that it is moving toward a secondary listing in the US, and FanDuel could potentially be spun out and listed independently in the future. If FanDuel lists in the US market independently, it could be valued closer to pure-play, high-growth internet platforms. That means the valuation ceiling could be significantly higher than where Flutter trades today. Put simply, current value comes from a leader already achieving profitability. Future upside comes from the potential restructuring and revaluation in US markets. This is the medium-term investment thesis and provides the main optionality. Final summary. The logic for FLUT is clear. The industry is growing. The leader's position is strengthening. Profitability is already being realized, and there is a structural valuation catalyst ahead. If the stock experiences short-term pullback because of market volatility, that may actually provide an opportunity to accumulate a long-term compounder, especially in a market increasingly focused on earnings visibility and leadership stability. We'll continue to monitor regulatory progress and earnings results to adjust timing and positioning.